Okay. This will be as natural as anything. Once I stop laughing. Oh. My name is Dave Lister. I am Financial and Sales Director of Express Legal Services. Express provides the conveyancing markets with essential searches to complete the conveyancing transaction. So they could be local authority searches, way down to flood information and all the risks associated with land and property purchase. So Express Legal Services is a 100% owned family business. We came together in 1998 as a group to see if we could work together as a family, because we know not many families could, and it worked fantastically for us. It was probably one of the best decisions we've ever made. Once we'd done our R&D, we started to trade, and we were an instant hit basically in the Northwest, which quickly migrated out to England and Wales, and we grew from there. At 4 years in, we were under so much volume that we needed to stop marketing, which we did. It made no difference whatsoever because we were still getting recommendations, and we had to decide what we were going to do. But the decision was made to franchise the business.
My name's Lynn Lister, and I'm the Managing Director of Express Legal Services Limited. So prior to starting Express, I was the editor of a business franchise magazine, which was the British Franchise Association's official journal. So although I didn't have any practical experience of running a business, I was steeped quite literally in the law and the theory of how to run a franchise. So when our business came to a stage where we needed to expand, my franchising background really helped. I was able to put in a lot of balances and checks and follow the business format franchise as laid down by the BFA. The ethics of franchising are very, very important and should be to both a franchisor and a prospective franchisee. Under no circumstances should a franchisor be able to profit from the business unless his franchisees are successful.
My name is Christian Lister. I am the Operations Director of Express Legal Services. We've been in operation now 20 years. It's our 20th year. Founded by myself and my mum and my dad on the kitchen table of 20 Ashbourne Road. I think the family ethos is probably something that's been replicated now time and time again throughout the network. Most franchisors tend to refer to their network as the franchisees. We've always referred to them as our partners because that is essentially what we are. And so the fact that a lot of the franchisees, our partners, have actually gone on to employ sons, daughters, aunties, uncles, it's just a replication of what we've done, which is really lovely to see.
What we wanted to achieve was not to be the biggest provider in the market, but definitely we wanted to be the best provider in terms of service. Service is everything. No service, no business as far as we're concerned. Well, I will say this one time, but this is a fabulous, fabulous environment to work in. We've maintained the family feel throughout, and not only through the head office, but also throughout the network. We treat it like a family business. Whenever we get together, whenever we have conferences, etc., it feels more like a family wedding than it does a corporate event. And I think making people feel relaxed and part of things, getting to know people properly and their extended families, which we do, it just makes for a nicer working environment, and the more you put into people, the more you get out of people.
And we very quickly got to the stage where I've just waffled and I've no idea where I was.